In this video, I'm going to show you how to link your Namecheap domain step by step, whether you're connecting it to Namecheap Shared Hosting, another hosting provider, or a VPS using an IP address. This is one of the first and most important things to set up when launching a website, and once you understand the process, it becomes much easier to manage your domain confidently. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple website and hosting guides. Now let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to Domain List. This is where all of your registered domains are shown in one place. Find the domain you want to connect and click Manage next to it. That will open the settings for that specific domain. Now, look for the Nameservers section. This is where you tell Namecheap where your domain should point. If you are using Namecheap Shared Hosting, choose Namecheap Web Hosting DNS. This is the correct option for Namecheap hosting, and when you save it, Namecheap will automatically use the proper nameservers for you. In most cases, those are dns1.namecheaphosting.com and dns2.namecheaphosting.com. After selecting that option, save the change. It may not update instantly everywhere, but this is the correct setup if your website is hosted on Namecheap Shared Hosting. If you are using another hosting provider, the process is a little different. Instead of choosing the Namecheap Web Hosting DNS option, select Custom DNS. Then enter the nameservers provided by your hosting company. Your host will usually give you 1 or 2 nameservers and sometimes more. Make sure you enter them exactly as provided, because even a small typo can prevent the domain from connecting properly. Once you enter the values, save the changes. Now, if you are using a VPS and you have a direct IP address, you can keep Namecheap DNS and simply add an A record. In that case, set the host to @ and point it to your VPS IP address. This tells your root domain where to load from. If you also want the www version of your domain to work, you may need to add or update a second record for www, depending on your hosting setup. After making your changes, the next step is patience. DNS propagation can take time to fully update across the internet. Nameserver changes can take up to 24 to 48 hours, while individual DNS record updates often take effect within 30 to 60 minutes. So if your website does not load immediately, that is completely normal. Give it some time and check again later. Once the DNS has started to connect, open your domain in a browser and test it. If everything is set correctly, your website should begin loading through the domain you linked. This is the final confirmation that the setup worked, and that's it. You now know how to link a Namecheap domain using nameservers or an A record, depending on your hosting setup. If this video saved you time, please hit the like button and subscribe, because I post more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.